Good day, bearded adventurers. It is I, the Wizard, and Mini Wiz from Fable Beard Company here today to tell you it is our 4-year anniversary and we're giving away $10,000 in beard products. May your beards be forever blessed and treasure forever upon your door. Welcome back to another video. My name is the Wizard from Fable Beard Company, where every beard has a story. And this is Mini Wiz helping me today to announce our birthday anniversary 4-year sale at Fable Beard Company. This is an absolutely amazing event. We couldn't have done any of this without any of you, and this 4 years has been absolutely amazing. We've done over 100 characters, stories, and just so much fun, and we are going to do so much more. Little things like the Krampus here, designed by Mini Wiz himself last year. There's going to be so many more cool things coming along this year, and we can't wait to share all of them with you. But you are here for the good stuff. Right now, we have a buy one, get one free on all of our beard care across both our regular line and our CBD line. So all you have to do is add 2 or more to your cart, and that's going to automatically come out. There's no limits. There's no discount codes needed. Plus, we have some free bonus gifts to share with you guys. All right, so we have 2 of them. Which one's your favorite?
Crinkle Monster.
The Crinkle Monster. All right, so the Crinkle Monster here is our CBD line of beard care products, and you are going to get this for free if you reach orders of $150 or more. We have free gifts in oil, butter, co-wash, and cologne, which leads us with our other one on our regular line, the birthday cake. The birthday cake is celebrating our 4-year anniversary there, and that is going to be available in orders of $100 or more on our regular line. That's going to come in oil, butter, co-wash, and cologne. The birthday cake is a obvious birthday cake scent. You got vanilla cake and good frosting. And we like to call the Crinkle Monster like an evil musk. It's kind of got a smoky scent to it, but it's really, really good also. And these are only going to be available for a limited time. So what does that mean?
So you can only get them on our anniversary.
Absolutely. Only on our anniversary sale. And speaking of anniversary and Little Wiz and Mini Wiz and Big Wiz here together, we have for the first time ever Fable Beard Company trading cards. Those trading cards are just absolutely awesome. Each one of them has a little bit of a storyline as well as our art to share with you guys. You guys love collecting things, and those are going to be great for all of the collectors at Fable. And you're going to get a free trading card pack in every single order. So even if you don't reach those special tiers here, you're still going to get a free trading card pack at fablebeardco.com. Yeah. But the sale is only available for our anniversary sale through Monday. So don't sleep on it. Go ahead and get yourself the trading cards and all of your other good Fable products. Stock up. We have a couple of different options for people who may not have the cash right now. Sezzle is a great option, and Shop Pay, those are installment plans. Those are wonderful. You pay a little bit up front and you get all of your products at once. So that's also a good thing that you can try to make sure that you get all your products ahead of time. There is more. We are giving away $10,000 in beard care products. All you have to do is order today. Place any order on the site, either CBD or regular, and we are picking 20 different people to win a $500 box of Fable products. We do these mega boxes all the time, but it's our birthday and we figured why not do it big? So we're giving away $10,000 worth, and that's 20 chances to win. So head on down to that link down below, fablebeardco.com, and pick yourself up some of your bearded goodies.
Yeah, and if you want to, you can say happy anniversary to Fable.
Yeah, go ahead and comment down below, happy anniversary to Fable. We love all of you guys. We couldn't have done it without your support. You're absolutely amazing, and we thank you so much. So head on over to fablebeardco.com and get yourself the birthday cake, the Crinkle Monster, and
the trading
cards. As always, until next time, may your beards be forever blessed and treasure forever upon your door.